Hey y'all, welcome back to another quarantine weekend vlog. Oh, it's good to be back chilling with you guys. Today, we have already, me and my dad, gotten up, went and did our workout. Y'all, let me tell you what I did today. So you guys know we normally do the walk around the campus, and every half mile we do like push-ups, sit-ups, squats, whatever. Well, today I started implementing boy push-ups into my push-up rotation, and so I started with 5 boy push-ups and then finished out my 20 with like regular on the knee push-ups, because girl, I'm not that strong yet, but I did it every time, y'all. So we gonna take the win we can take. So it is 12:17 now, and me and my dad are gonna make lunch. We're obviously gonna go hang out by the pool. I got my little banana hat on, if you guys know, you know. So we are super excited. We're gonna make grilled cheeses with some pimento cheese. It's gonna be so good, you guys. Low key, is this a vlog channel or a cooking channel? We do not know. It is Memorial Day weekend, so obviously TW is gonna be around a little bit longer. We've got some really fun things we're gonna do or try to do, and some super cool recipes we're gonna try out to share with you guys as well. I do wanna go ahead and just say a real big thank you real quick to all of you guys that watch these vlogs. It means a lot, all your super sweet comments regarding me and my family. You know, I really do appreciate that, because it is very personal getting other people to be on camera with you, and especially in this way, because this is not scripted or we're not talking about anything. This is, you know, like what we for real are doing. So just thank you so much to always being so kind, not only to me, but to everybody I introduce you to and share with you guys, because it makes me happier to share those things with you. I also want you guys to let me know like what it is that you want to necessarily see from these vlogs. I know you can't really dictate what we do, but I don't want these to become boring. Obviously, you know, it's not like we have a home project every weekend, and sometimes we're just chilling, and so I know they can get kind of repetitive. I don't want you guys to get bored, and I don't want you guys to not want to watch it or think you see the same thing over and over again. So let me know your thoughts on these moving forward. Would you maybe like to see them every 2 weeks or once a month or whatever? And I can keep vlogs going on my channel even after this quarantine stuff is over. But I just want to get your opinions, because I want you guys to enjoy what we're showing you. I don't want to get too repetitive and, you know, you feel like you're not getting a good video out of this.
Yeah. All right. Pretty good call by me.
He did not decide this. He wanted the pimento cheese just to have it. And I was like, what if we did grilled cheeses with it? Y'all know that is not the mastermind behind the food. He's just the assistant. I hate boy push-ups. I'm terrible. That was awful. If my face is any indication on how that went, terrible. My 5 boy push-ups at each stop, whooping my ass. And so now we have stopped. We're letting the car go down. We're gonna eat oranges, and there are little turtles that are in this little pond right here, right where we park. And yesterday I took a little bit of my orange and threw them at them, and they were very excited to have a little snack. So we brought them their own orange today, so we're gonna give them
They didn't let the orange peel still in there.
Yeah, they did not like the orange peel, but they like the actual orange itself. So I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, look, yeah, there he is, right there. Oh, he's excited about that one. Was that a whole, like, orange slice? He's took it. Yeah, yeah. Oh, what a treat. You guys notice that I have not fed any of the turtles. That it is just, it's just TW doing it. That's okay, you had a good time. That's okay. He didn't technically get to feed him yesterday because he ate his orange and I shared mine with them to see what they would do. Look at that. You feel better now?
I do, man. I had a good time.
Look at that.
I was stingy.
The little turtle whisperer. Yeah. Watch your feet.
Yeah, I didn't mean to not shake.
That's okay, little turtle whisperer. He need to have his moment. Ooh, how was the workout for you today?
Oh, good. Chest is tight. I think on the abs, I usually do them up on the push-up handle, so I didn't feel it as much.
Yeah.
But I need to get something to wash my hands.
Something's better than nothing. Yeah, use our hot, crusty water.
Yeah. Did that work yesterday?
Yeah.
After a really hard workout at UNCW.
You guys, so we got fried Oreos, a funnel cake with strawberries, and a lemonade, all for 16 bucks, definitely not bad. And we are out here chilling. This is where we came. And so it's kind of like what you would see at like a state fair or whatever, but they were so nice. It's gonna be so good. What do you think?
You're really good.
Get it. Okay, I've got powdered sugar everywhere, like literally all over me. I should not have stood where I stood, but that was good. What do you think?
Great.
Now we're gonna go home and get in the pool. It's hot. That was lunch. Look at that. I'm not even hungry now. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are doing nachos for dinner tonight and I am so pumped. I literally was like randomly watching a YouTube video the other night and the girl in it was like, I'm gonna make nachos for dinner, and I was like, I want nachos for dinner. And so I told my parents and I was like, yeah, we're gonna have to do nachos one night this weekend, and so that's what we're doing. As you can see, like literally y'all, it was so easy. I just laid down some chips, I did Mexican blend cheese, which you can do any kind of cheese you want, and just some queso, and then some hamburger meat seasoned with the like taco seasoning, like the Old El Paso, like 25% less sodium if we're gonna be all specific. And then I just did 2 layers as you saw. And then I put it in the oven for 10 minutes at like 400 degrees. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it because I'm not 100% sure like exactly if that's perfectly what I would need. And then for toppings, we have sour cream, guacamole, and pico de gallo. And I'm so excited. As always, for everything we ever cook, I will link exactly what I used down below, so you can definitely follow along with the recipe if you want. But this looked so easy. And I was like, yeah, I gotta know about this life. So I'm super excited. And it made a freaking huge amount of nachos, so I cannot wait. My parents have no idea how big the mountain is, so I think that's gonna be funny to see what they say. Okay, guys, that is what the nachos look like. I didn't do 10 minutes. I probably did like 7 or 8 minutes before I decided to take them out, just because you can see like my chips were getting kind of crispy looking and the cheese looked like it was possibly getting a little hard, but okay guys, so there is my plate right there. I forgot I also had jalapenos, so I added a few of those, but that's literally it. It was so easy, and so far the crowd seems pretty pleased. Look at that man. How is it?
Excellent.
Good? Mother?
Wonderful.
Even with the pico on it?
Yes.
What's up, guys? We are out here chilling at the mall. We just got done picking up a few things. We went into, obviously, my Sephora at JCPenney's here, and you guys, oh my lord, shopping at Sephora right now. would not recommend. They obviously, and I get why, like they don't have any testers out, which like I don't really need to test anything because I'm fine with, you know, buying it, and if I don't like it, returning it. But like you're not allowed to figure out like any of the colors. So there'll be some products, you know, that don't have like color stickers on them or anything, so you don't know what you're looking at. You cannot open anything and look at anything. You barely can touch anything, which is really weird. And so like would not recommend. But I spent all my gift card. I'm going to show you what I picked up so you guys can just know. No, it's okay, I just don't want my receipt up there. Like mini, little tiny haul, and you guys know how Sephora is. Like we only got 3 things, but I got a refill of my toner. This is literally just going to be the second backup that I have because I'm addicted to it. I got this Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in the shade Sangria Blush. It just looks really cute. And then I got another eyeliner because I liked it so much from my Sephora haul, from the Wire collection, the Urban Decay. And so I got this one in the shade Vivid, so I figured I'd have a blue. And then me and Old TW walked around the like home section of Penny's, and let me put this down. Oh god, my arm hurts. And so they were having a lot of sales in the home section, and so every now and then when I'm out and I see something that I could use, you know, I don't buy decor or anything just yet because like never know what your space is gonna look like. But they had towels on sale, girl, on sale. So my dad picked up a couple for my mom, and I picked up some, and I'm just gonna show you the colors in the bag, y'all, because I'm not picking it up. But so I got these right here. It's like a pretty, you know, like teal color, a lighter blue, and then a black because, well, I wear a lot of makeup in a mess. So I got 3 towels, 3 hand towels, and 3 washcloths for like 57 bucks, which that sounded like a good deal to me, girl. So that's what I got. Like I said, he got some for my mom because my mom loves some towels, y'all. Loves them. And so now we're gonna get ready to go. We're gonna go stop and get a Dairy Queen. Me and TW made a bet and I lost, so I got treated to some Dairy Queen. We were talking the other day about the Mission Space ride at Disney World and how like we last time we were there rode the orange one and they have barf bags in it, and I didn't think they had barf bags in the green one because it's mild, but they do. And so I owe him a Dairy Queen because I was wrong. So we're gonna go stop.
Who knows Disney?
Pain in my
Not
head.
you.
But so I'm gonna go, you know, write my debt and get him a Dairy Queen, and then I think we're gonna go home and hang outside for a little bit because the day ended up turning out quite sunny when it was supposed to be very overcast. And
We're looking at a record player.
oh yeah, you guys, we're also looking, and by we, yeah, okay, he just wants to use it. So I'm looking to get a record player. I've been thinking about it for a while now, and at first I was like, oh, I really don't have any space, so I was gonna wait till I moved out. But with our new setup in our living room, there's a space that I could put it, because obviously, you know, my parents can listen to it, and I don't want it to be something where they feel like they have to like be in my room for it. So we have a space that it can be used for communal purposes, if you will. But I'm footing the bill because when I leave, it leaves with me. But if you guys know anything about record players, if you have a record player, if you have any suggestions, anything like that, we are looking into the ones that have like a lot of reviews on YouTube. A little bit of dabbling I've done is the, what is it?
Victrola.
Victrola
8-in-1.
8-in-1s, where you can do like FM, USB, Bluetooth. It's got a cassette player on it because my mom's got some old cassette tapes. Obviously it plays all 3 sides of the records and things like that. So I don't know, I'm looking into it. If you have one, again, please let me know. If you have a website that you like to buy them from, let me know. You know, I don't want to get one super cheap where it's like not worth a crap, but I also am not looking to spend thousands of dollars because, you know, I'm just getting into it. You know, I can't say that I'll play a record every single day, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, let us know, so I kind of know where to spend my money. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm ready to go so we can get in the pool a little bit. Wasting sunshine.
Amazing how good a free Oreo Blizzard is.
Free one.
It's better than when I paid for it.
It tastes better today?
Uh-huh.
Wow. I'm so glad though. I do a mini mint Oreo, y'all, and I have them add sprinkles to it. That's good. Okay, you guys, so we are home now. Got in, did a little bit of chores, And in the last clip, or a couple clips ago, I don't remember when now, I know we mentioned to you talking about getting a record player and your recommendations. Well, we went ahead and did that. Definitely still leave me recommendations, tips, tricks, anything like that, because I obviously, this is the one I had been kind of looking at, but you know, I don't know much. I did end up getting this from Kohl's, if you really want to know. And the reason I chose to do that is because it was the only place in town that had it in stock, in store, where I could buy it, use it, play with it, and then if something happens, I can return it to a, you know, actual place, which is what I wanted. Because I mean, this is a pretty penny, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't 50 bucks. It was actually like 150 bucks. It was a good chunk of change. We did pick up a couple records as well. So got my all-time favorite artist, the Queen here. We got something for my mom, little Commodores. We had to get the king of pop because, well, I feel like if you have a record player and you don't have Michael Jackson, do you have a record player? And then I had to get Lizzo because we have got to keep it real to who we are. And yeah, she's queen. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it together a little bit. I think me and TW are going to find a way to DIY a like stand table for it at some point. But we're honestly just gonna put it on a TV tray in the living room here in a few minutes. But y'all, this is a cassette tape, right? Of my mama singing karaoke, okay?
She's like 17.
Here we go.
19.
I don't know how this vlog looks, to be honest, because I feel like it's kind of been all over the place, and if it is, well, I'm sorry, we'll try to do better next weekend. I think having a weekend off really kind of threw us off our game.
It did.
And it was way too nice out.
It was, but there's one highlight of this vlog. And if y'all remember back to the ice cream bet, and that would be that I was right and you were wrong. You won't hear that many times.
Yes, I swear. He was all like, it tastes much better because it's free. Pain in my ass. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you guys know the drill. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to let us know maybe anything that you want us to do. This man is not even paying attention to me. Anyways, you guys, we'll see you next weekend.
Retirement countdown 278.
On that note, we'll see you next weekend. Bye.